Continue. So here we have this synchronous generator, right? So first of all, you need to determine we have synchronous generator or motors, because for the final exam we have the different object. Okay, this is delta connection, right? Yeah, delta connection mean we have VL equal to V phase, right? Right? Or this is V phase. Yeah, we have I phase is IL over square root of 3. Square root of 3. Yes. Yeah, we have stated electrical frequency is 60 Hz. This is capital B is 4, or we have BA 2 4 Hz. Okay, I is 0.015 ohm. We can say X or XS, 0.1 ohm. And we have full load condition, full load condition here, full load conditions. Full load doesn't mean rated, right? Rated. And because this is three phase. So the current is like current. Like this one, it is three phase, so the voltage, the question gives us like voltage. It is three phase, to the current, they give us like current. Understand? So remember, we directly calculate I phase or IA is equal to what? 1,200 divided by square root of 3. Now, come on, quickly, help me. Calculate. 609. 93.8. 92.8. So nearly 693 ms. Okay. So this one is lucky. Lucky means if we have V phase is V phase with 0 degree, here is IA. Will you with me? Lucky. So IA is what is IA. How about phase angle? We have power factor. That means cosine phi is 0.8. This is no phi. This is what? Theta. So this one is theta. Right? So, please help me. Theta happening? Oh! Quickly. 37 degree. Okay, so here I say 37 degree ms. Am right or wrong? Wrong. Why? Because lagging and you stay. Yes, you stay here, right? And you move to here. We follow clockwise. So minus. Okay, so here must be minus, Gain is student did this mistake. And then fail the final exam. They come to my office and complain. I just did one word, stated this. You understand? to be careful. So that is the reason you need to summarize very carefully the information approaches. Okay, so your I how many? 693, right? 693 with minus 37 amperes. Yeah. Under full load, the friction and release are 40 kilowatts, for losses are 30 kilowatt. Okay, so here must be delta because it's useful power, right? Yeah. What is it? No, this one is friction and release. And we don't need to give delta B for losses because it takes more time, so we just say delta B FA and more. Okay? Okay, we ignore any field circuit losses. That means we have delta B RCLA 0. Okay, to finish. Now we compare with this one. Okay. Correct. And if you lack a lot of information, do you understand? Yeah, simply practice at home. Okay. Now, question A. Now we answer question A. We calculate the speed of the rotation of this generator. Okay? Yeah. Here, IA is 693 with minus 37 degrees. Okay? Why we have 692 93? Because because delta connection. I emphasize again, for the final exam, please take into account this the delta or Y connection. Please do it. It's my class. I emphasize many times. I have you to summarize, but I don't know. In the final exam, you fail this course. Only one reason: you are stupid. Okay? Yeah. How to avoid this stupidness? No way. Because of the game. Again, of your family. Yes. 50% come from 30% come from environment. I mean, educational environment, Yes, and 20% for what? 20% for, for life. You play games, you eat a lot of McDonald's, sandwich, hamburger, oh my God. No ways, okay? So if you recognize your stupidness, how can we do? We need to choose the suitable careers for you. Yes? You cannot become a professor if you are stupid. Right? But if you become a worker, that's okay. But when you return your family, say thank you. Say many thanks to your family because your parents are really smart. Because now you are BTG students, you are smart. Understand? So how can we increase? Again. You need to consider your girlfriend or your boyfriend who is very intelligent, right? And then when you get kids, okay, you can increase a little bit. For example, if you are 0% and your girlfriend 100%, oh my God, next generation you get 50%. Okay, this is my experience. I am very stupid for languages, you know. And this IELTS test many times, and the maximum is I get 6.5. You know, 5 times, also 6.5. I cannot reach the IELTS score. But my wife, she got 8.5. Okay, and she knows Vietnamese, of course, Chinese, French, and also English. Okay, so now my son is maybe increase language skills a little bit. Believe me, this is my experience. Like India, you know, like India, you know, if someone rich, next generation rich, more rich, and if someone is poor and poor, because they know how to find a girlfriend. Believe me. Okay, come back. So don't worry if you get a little bit of again, you can enrich the educational environment or lifestyle. Come back. Now, question A. Here I highlight the key question of you. Okay, so we calculate what? We calculate synchronous speed. E60 SE over B. Okay. So you guess how many hertz? 60 hertz. And the number of pole pairs is 2. Because I use 60 is the number of pole pairs. So you get 1,800 RPM. Okay. So if we use capital B, we need to consider 120. Okay. Question B. How much fuel current must be supplied to the generator for make the terminal voltage 480 volt at low load? Okay, so they require to consider how many IF. If we face open circuit, how many? We face open circuit, how many? How many? 480. Right? 480. Actually, this one is line voltage, but because this is delta connection, so V phase equal to V line. Yeah, you get equal to V line open circuit. Then we have the open circuit curve. This is IF. This is IF. This is open circuit voltage. Okay. So if we have 480 volt, we can get IF how many? Here, 4.5 amps. 4.5 amps. So for the final exams, I use this diagram. Okay, and you need to make sure this one is line voltage. No, terminal. And 3 phase. Right, so this one always line voltage open circuit. See. Now the generator connect to the load and draw 1,200 amperes at 0.8 power factor lagging. That means full load condition, right? This is full load, and this one is full load. Okay, so full load condition. What does it mean? Full load condition doesn't mean all parameters are rated. Right? That means we have V V rated, I rated, blah blah blah. Then how much field current will be required to keep the terminal voltage equal to 180 volts? Okay, they require to calculate how many IF in such a way that VL rated is 480 volts, right? Right. So if we have load condition, we have voltage equation, right? Yeah, we have voltage equation. Because this one is load. So lagging or needed lagging, right? Lagging. So we have V phase A minus what? Minus J minus what? Minus RA plus JXS times IA. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So can we get EA? Can we get EA? Yes. EA is V phase plus RA plus JXS times IA. Okay, so now V phase how many? We already know V phase. V phase 480 volt. Okay, normally V phase, right? We phase in the separation with x-axis. I mean, this is reference axis. V phase is V line because you get the connection get 480 volt. And normally V phase, right? V phase is in the separation with x-axis. Right? So here you get 0 degree. I how many? RA 0.015 plus J 0.1 times what? IA how many? Yes, okay, we get 693 with minus 37 degree. Okay, so how many magnitudes and phase angle, please? Calculate. We hope this one is correct. You need to practice, you know. There's some students, at this step, but they get wrong result because they don't know how to use the calculator. Okay, please practice. So we can get 532. We hope 532 with 5.3 degree. This is correct. Okay, no. Okay. That right? Okay? Yes. So, this is V phase, so this is IA, right? This is IA, and this one is minus 37 degree. So, we have IA, and then, yeah, we have IA, and then we have, this is IA, even JXS IA. So, this one is EA. Of course, the magnitude of EA will be higher than the magnitude of V phase. Then you get 532 with 480 volt. Okay, and the phase angle here is 5.3 degrees. Is it consistent? Right? Is it the same with the theory? Okay, so come back to this one. To be careful with this one, for this one we have x-axis is IF, right? And the y-axis is what? Open circuit terminal voltage. So for open circuit, that means we face, we line open circuit equal to what? Equal to VA open circuit. Do you repeat me? Open circuit, that means IA is 0. So we face, sorry, it's not A will be what? EL. So that means we face open circuit equal to VA open circuit. Is it clear? And I mentioned before, here is three phase. So the voltage here is must be line voltage. And now here, when we calculate this one is phase voltage. But we are very lucky because we have delta connection, right? So we have EA is EL. Yes. Then we get phi 32 volt. So if now you get phi 32 volt, how about the phi 32 volt? You get IF now 5.7. Now we check BH curve or open circuit curve. You guess IF now is 5.7 amperes. 5.7 amperes. Where? Here. Is it clear? Yeah. And maybe 5 minutes more, we try to finish this level. So, D. Any questions for such question C? Any questions? Questions? Okay, no question next. How much power is generator now supplying? Okay, how much power is supplied to the generator by the right mover? Okay, and what's in the machine's overall efficiency? That means they ask us to calculate V in, V out, and the efficiency, that is V out over V in. Do you with me? The power is supplied. It's supplied for what? The power is supplied for a lot. So this is V out, V in, you know. So because this is synchronous generator, so V out is what? Is three phase. Equal to what? It's up to you. If we use 3, this one is V phase. IA cosine what? Theta. If we use the root of 3, this is VL, IL, cosine theta. It's up to you. For me, I like it. Because this is phase, every calculation is phase. So you get 3, we phase how many? 4 items. IA how many? 693. How about theta? Here, cosine minus 37. Cosine minus and first is cosine and first, right? Yeah. So you get how many please? Really happy. You can get me out. And we hope VL is, you know, here they use root of 3, so this is like 1 to slide no run. That's okay. Now I will face 3. Let me check. Is it the same? How many? Here is, yeah, kilowatt, right? Right? Okay. So that means nearly 797 kilowatt. Do you understand? Okay, so now we calculate B in. So B in is B out plus delta B total, right? And we get B out, and delta B total means we have what? We have delta B friction and wind is delta B strain plus delta B Fe plus delta B SCL plus delta B RCL, right? So how about RCL? 0, right? Strain losses we don't have. So VR is 797 kilowatt plus friction wind is how many? 40 kilowatt plus delta B Fe how many? 30 kilowatt plus delta B SCL. Oh, you need to calculate this one, right? So this one equal to what? 3 IA square RA. Because we have three phase A, phase B, phase C. So when we calculate the total power losses from standard winding, we need to have 3. So this is multiply of 3. So you get how many? 3 I how many? 6. 9 3 square times I how many? 0.015, and please help me. Okay. Look here. Am I right? Yes, and you get what? 21.6 kilowatt. So here you get 21.6 kilowatt, and then you can get B out. Sorry, B in how many? 9.6 kilowatt. Please help me. Double check it. This one, but this one, but this one, but this one. Okay? Yeah, and then you can get efficiencies. Efficiency A, B out, over B in. And then you get how many? 797 over 889. You get how many percent? 89.7%, right? Any questions? So, no questions? Stop. Okay. See you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we have full day class. Morning and in the afternoon. Okay. Study hard.